Good morning. I am back. I took a mental health day yesterday, so I needed to get orders done. Sculpting while I'm filming isn't like a huge distraction, but on days that I'm feeling a little stressed, it's just best to just focus on sculpting, get it done, and I know you guys understand. So anyway, today is Friday, so that means finishing up orders, shipping them out. Alright, I'm going to get started on my Friday and hopefully get everything done so we can enjoy our weekend. I also wanted to say really quickly, this huge order that you guys have been watching me work on for a week and a half at this point, but all of these really cute little Winter Wonderland charms, those are going to Germany next week. They are going to go to Molly of Homespun House. Many of you know that I've been working with her for a while. We worked together a few years ago, and then this past year and a half, we started working together again. So those of you in the UK and Canada that have been wanting some of my charms, but since I don't ship internationally, weren't able to get them, you now will be able to get the ones that are in stock with Molly once they arrive to her. So I'm really excited to have some of my charms available overseas, and it's just really exciting. And of course I love working with Molly, so yeah, those will go out next week. So that is one of the deadlines that I am working towards, and the other being the advents, and of course the orders sprinkled in between. we just got back from kind of just a day out. We all have had a really stressful week. As you all are aware, I actually ended up not vlogging for 2 days this week just because things got so busy. So this morning, Adam was gonna run to Jacksonville, which is 30 minutes away, and I suggested that we all go out to eat. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and I did eat chicken. I made an exception to the no eating meat since it was a special occasion, and we went to Walmart. I wanted to look at the Christmas stuff, but we didn't actually get around to it, so we got the kids their costumes. We got them their fall/winter jackets. We were able to find jackets that had a combination, like the lining is a lighter weight. They're actually right here. So this lining, this shell comes out. Anyway, so they can work as a winter jacket or a autumn jacket. So that'll be good for when they go back to school. We also were finally able, we've been looking for fabric for the Adam in particular wants a pillowcase. I made the kids pillowcases earlier this summer. Well, now they all want new pillowcases, and Adam wants his pillowcase, and he wanted it in this marble fabric that I had used for Will's, but we couldn't find it. We have been looking all summer. And this isn't the exact same fabric, but he still liked it. So he wants his pillowcase like that. Doesn't exactly match our bedspread, but that's fine. And so then Rory wanted another pillowcase, and Will wants this one. And the way that I make the pillowcases is I'll make the main part one color, usually a solid color, and then the strip on the edge of the pillowcase about this big I'll do in a pattern, and then I put snaps in it, and they're really nice. They stay on really nicely. I'm just gonna knit for a while and maybe turn on a podcast, and Adam's taking a nap, and the kids are enjoying their new toys. They each got a toy when we went, because I don't know the last time they were in Walmart. So yeah, just busy but fun Saturday. Siri is enjoying the new coat because it's soft. Siri, that's not your coat. That's not your coat. No, it's not. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock, and I actually am going to do some recreational sewing, which I have not sewn. I don't remember the last time. And I'm not really a person that sews in my spare time because I'm still not, I don't consider myself very good at it still, but I had a few gifts I wanted to sew, and I have some packages that are like swaps that are going out soon. So I don't know, we're gonna see what I get done. I'm trying to remember how to make a bag. I think I'm on the right track, but I've cut out the corners. I haven't made one of these since the last time I had them in the shop, so, and my camera doesn't want to focus on me because I am just a shadow. We're just gonna go with it and see if I do it right.
Adrian of the Freakish Lemon podcast did make an idea and so when I went out there the other week, I
Okay, so I successfully made one bag. It looks just like I remember the takeout bags looked when I had them in the shop. But I got overconfident, and then I decided to make a second one, and I messed up cutting the bottom. So this is the bottom. This is what it should look like. I don't know how I did that. I mean, I think I know. I cut way too much. So yeah, it's not... It was really cute too. I really liked this fabric combo, but oh well. Anyway, Adam and the kids are on a bike ride. I'm going to clean up the kitchen and make them something to eat. I'm not really hungry. I'm still full from lunch, but they are hungry. So, I don't really know. I'm gonna make something quick. And then I'm gonna go out and knit because I should have stopped at one bag. But that's okay. One bag done. Maybe I'll try again. I don't know. I don't know. Not today. Sometime in the future. Well, I was inspired by sewing this evening, and now I am watching Green Lambkin VLOGTOBER and cutting out more fabric. Actually, it's kind of loud. Hang on. Yeah, I don't plan on putting sewing items back into the shop anytime soon that I have sewn. But I do have several swaps and just gifts that I send out to my knitting friends. So yeah, I thought maybe I would see if I can get some done this year. But yeah, I thought it might just be fun to have kind of a stash of things going for when I have a sewing bug. And I did figure out what I did wrong. For my first bag I made this evening, I used one of my stamps to like block off what I was pretty sure was the measurement, and it was. So this is the tracing that I finally ended up making after I messed up the second bag of the stamp. This is the block I used on Hygge fabric bag that I messed up. So a huge, huge difference. But at least I have this measurement to make a little cutout of for next time. Do you mind? I'm doing something here and you're stepping all over it. Stop that! I think she thinks that she can pick the glitter off this one. Excuse you. Stay off them. Stay off them, Turkey. Stay off, stay off, stay off. Say, stop it. I need to go lay on those. None of this is yours.
That's those. And then the final pair here on the sock blockers are my latest Christmas socks, which are called Clearly in This Light. And it's just this really nice
I'm busy.
stitch pattern, twisted stitch root there at the top. And then
No! Don't touch!
for the
Be a good kitty. Where's my pen?
shades
Did you take it? Did you take my pen? I don't need your help. And you need to let me hang this coat up. She's been sleeping on it all evening. Okay, so I actually cut out everything I wanted to cut out. All of the fabrics that I brought out here, I was able to cut out the bags and the combinations of fabric that I wanted. And I'm not sure when I will work on them again. I mean, you guys may not see them again until Vlogmas. But at least they're cut out and they're there to work on. If I have a night that I don't want to knit or I don't want to watch TV, I can go back and sew a little bit. But I think that's it for me tonight. Thank you guys for coming back. I know that I missed a couple days this week already. We honestly just have a lot going on aside from the shop right now, and I'm hoping I'll get to share more about it soon. Even if it's bad news, I will fill you guys in, but for some reason I just feel like if I talk about anything right now, it's gonna like jinx it. I know that's not a thing, but you know, whatever. I'll do what I can, crossing fingers and toes and all that. But anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight. I'm gonna edit this and put it up and probably go to bed. And see you guys tomorrow. Good night.